Hi guys, it's Rochelle. I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome to episode 4 of Road to 10,000, where I try to get my portfolio up to $10,000. Before I get started, I just wanted to say that this is for entertainment purposes only. By no means am I an expert in any of this. I am still learning every day. At market closing on January 29th, my portfolio closed at $4,303, and I also had a peak of over $4,500 on January 26th before trades were halted on multiple platforms on January 28th. This month, I actually did some swing trades and even a day trade, but that was actually by accident. I'll get into the story in a little bit, but first, how much did I make in dividends for the month of January? This month's dividends weren't too exciting, so I'll try to go over them quickly. I got paid by 4 companies on Robinhood this month, and all 4 of them are monthly paying dividends, and the first 3 that I'm going to talk about are REITs. First, I was paid by AG&C for owning 5 shares, which gave me 60 cents. This company pays a 9% dividend. Next, I was paid 12 cents from Stag for owning 1 share. This company pays over a 4% dividend. Next, I was paid 47 cents from O for owning 2 shares, and again over a 4% dividend. Lastly, I was paid $1.05 from SPHD for owning 7 shares. SPHD is an ETF that pays over a 4% dividend. This is a grand total of $2.24 in dividends for the month of January on Robinhood. This does sound pretty small, but it's a huge improvement from last year. In January on Robinhood, I made 0 cents, and on M1 Finance, I only made 54 cents in dividends. This month, I was able to transfer another $300 into my stock portfolio, and I was able to buy more than $300 in stocks this month since I was also able to sell some stocks. Many of the stocks that I bought this month are stocks that I bought in previous months on previous episodes, and I don't want to bore you guys, so I don't want to go into them again. So here on the screen is a list of some shares that I bought this month, as well as prices that I bought them for. The not so well known ones are 2 Hawaii banks. The first one is CPF. I bought a few shares of this. I believe it's a great long-term hold, and they were able to achieve and surpass their estimated EPS during the pandemic with positive earnings, as well as continue their over 4% dividend yield. The next one is ticker symbol FHB. Their market cap is actually 4 times greater than CPF, with positive earnings throughout the pandemic as well, and they were able to maintain their over 4% dividend yield. As I said earlier, I did sell some stocks this month, and it was actually my first time ever selling stocks. So let me start off with Ford first. I actually saw a lot of hype with Ford because of their new EVs, and their stock price spiked up, and I saw my chance to sell. So I was able to sell 8 of my shares at $11.26, which gave me over $90, and I had an average cost of under $3.50. The next stock that I sold is actually one of my free stocks, SRNE. It was up quite a bit on January 27th, so I sold my free share for $15.64. I got this free stock actually from a friend, and I got this at the price of $4.83. Personally, I thought they were breaking a resistance, so I thought it was a good time to take profit, but some analysts believe that this company's price target is about $20 or even over $30. It doesn't end there with the trades. I have an embarrassing story to learn from and share. So actually, my first sale was by accident, and I did it twice. It was definitely a lesson learned, but thankfully I made profit instead of losing money. So Tesla's price started dropping, and I got really excited to buy a very tiny fractional share, and I accidentally ended up selling $40 of my share and then another $20. Don't ask me how I did this. Then I ended up buying about $45 back in Tesla, so I still own about half a share. I guess that's my learning story for this episode. I'll make sure to double check if I'm selling or buying. Well, that wraps up this hectic month. I'm still learning. Let me know in the comments down below how your January's went. Please like and subscribe if you guys want to see more stock and personal finance videos. Thank you for all the support. Let's excel in life together.